Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we will learn how to use a filter in Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow. Add a title and description, then select the method, menu, and window where you want to place the trigger. Once configured, click the Save button. For filter configuration, go to the Data Processing and ETL Events section and drag the filter into the workflow playground. Add a title and description, then select the System, Menu, and window where you want to apply the filter. You can retrieve data in three ways: constant, to choose a specific record; data carry, to pass data from previous nodes; or filter, to refine records based on specific conditions. Using the filter option, you can either fetch all values from the selected window or define custom conditions to filter specific records. This allows you to retrieve only the data that meets the specified criteria. Once configured, connect the workflow, and you can proceed with data transformation based on the filtered results.